Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk to you about fire cider. Fire cider has ancient origins, but the term fire cider was coined by an herbalist, Rosemary Gladstar, back in the 70s, and she kind of brought it to the forefront of the herbalist community. And then this was also shared to me by a good friend who's also an herbalist. So I wanted to share it with you. It's a great remedy for colds and flus, and it's a wonderful digestive tonic. So it tones and soothes the digestive system. And depending on what you put in it, it has different effects on your digestive system. That's what's fun about fire cider, is that you can use the basic ingredients and then add to it depending on where you're located and what kind of things you have handy. So the basic ingredient is raw apple cider vinegar, something sweet like maple syrup or honey, and you add horseradish, which is a digestive stimulant and it's warming, ginger, same thing, digestive stimulant, warming, onion, which has antiseptic, antimicrobial properties, garlic, same thing, antiseptic and antimicrobial properties. Those are the basic ingredients. And then, based on what you have, so I have pine needles for vitamin C. So you could use orange, lemon, lime, rose hips. Pine needles are wonderful, high in vitamin C. And I have lots of pine trees. And then I grew rosemary and sage in my garden. So I'm going to use rosemary for the stimulant properties and the warming properties that it has to the digestive system. And I know my body has an affinity for rosemary. I love it. I have a poor sense of smell, but rosemary I can smell. So my body really likes rosemary. I'm going to put sage in there because sage has a good calming effect on the nervous system and the digestive system. So let's get into it. Okay, so the garlic you should probably chop up first because it should sit for 15 minutes to let the immune enhancing properties of the garlic come out. We've got the garlic and the onion. I'm going to do about that much ginger. This was organic ginger, so I can leave the skin on. I like fire cider because it's adaptable to where you are. So this horseradish, I think it's quite old. I got it from the local market, but and I'm sure if you just pulled horseradish out of your garden, you wouldn't have to peel it, but I don't know where this is from. Has a nice spicy, pungent odor. And you can use this on a daily basis, and if you like apple cider vinegar as a salad dressing, mixed with olive oil, then you could use this as your apple cider vinegar. It'd be a little sweet, but what we'll do is we'll put all of this stuff in the jar, and then we'll cover it with apple cider vinegar, and then let it sit for a month. Again, it's, you know, whatever you think you need. After it sits for a month, we take it out and we strain it, and then we add a 1/4 cup of honey or maple syrup or a mixture of both. So there, that finishes the process of making fire cider. And I'll let it sit for a month and then strain it and then mix it with a 1/4 cup of honey and maple syrup combined. So thanks for watching, and I hope this inspires you to get out there and make some fire cider to help boost your immune system through this winter. So take good care. See you next time.